Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to find Security. When you find it, tap on it. Then select Screen Lock and click on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Lastly, you need to answer this question by selecting one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content. Show sensitive content only when unlocked. Or don't show notifications at all. When you're ready, click on Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!